Welcome back to Daily Drives, your ultimate destination for the most powerful machines, cutting-edge military tech, and next-gen engineering marvels. If you're passionate about the future of armored warfare and want exclusive insights into the most advanced defense vehicles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the future of Russian armored warfare with the Zvezda 131,080 tank, the formidable 2026 upgrade that's turning heads across global defense circles. Russia has long been known for its powerful tank lineage, and the Zvezda 131,080 is a shining example of how tradition and innovation can merge into one deadly machine. Based on Zvezda's continued evolution of their main battle tanks, this 2026 model represents a massive leap forward in mobility, armor technology, and digital warfare integration. Let's talk about design first. The Zvezda 131,080 keeps a low profile, enhancing its stealth and survivability on the battlefield. Its angular composite armor is not only aesthetically aggressive but functionally vital, with a combination of explosive reactive armor, ERA, and a next-generation active protection system. The tank can defend itself against both kinetic and guided threats. This dual-layered defense shield means that even top-attack missiles, which are notorious for bypassing conventional armor, now face serious resistance. The tank's radar and optical sensors are embedded in the hull and turret, allowing for a 360-degree situational awareness with minimal exposure. Under the hood, the Zvezda 131,080 is powered by a state-of-the-art 1,500 horsepower hybrid diesel-electric engine. This not only gives it incredible torque and acceleration for a vehicle of its weight, but also allows it to move in near silence when running on battery mode. Silent mobility is a game-changer in modern warfare, especially in urban and recon operations. Top speed reaches around 75 kilometers per hour on road, and it maintains superior cross-country performance with an advanced hydropneumatic suspension system, enabling it to tackle even the roughest terrains with ease. One of the most exciting features of the 2026 model is its fully digital combat suite. The commander and gunner are equipped with AI-assisted target acquisition systems, enabling target tracking even when the tank is on the move. The fire control system has been upgraded with machine learning algorithms that calculate lead, distance, and projectile drop within milliseconds. This allows for accurate firing in dynamic environments and reduces the human error factor significantly. Its main armament remains a powerful 125mm smoothbore cannon, but this time it supports a wider range of programmable ammunition, including airburst rounds, thermobaric shells, and anti-UAV munitions. What truly sets the Zvezda 131,080 apart from other tanks is its crew configuration. It has moved toward full automation in several key functions. The traditional three-man crew setup is maintained but highly augmented by AI and onboard drones. That's right, the 2026 Zvezda tank includes a pair of fold-out reconnaissance drones that can be launched directly from the vehicle. These drones provide real-time surveillance and targeting data, allowing the tank to engage enemies before it even comes into their line of sight. For communication, the 131,080 uses encrypted satellite and mesh network systems to stay connected with command units and other vehicles. This allows for seamless battlefield coordination and information sharing. Cybersecurity has also been upgraded to military-grade firewalls with real-time threat detection, keeping the tank's digital systems protected from electronic warfare attacks. The interior of the Zvezda 131,080 is more like a cockpit than a traditional tank cabin. Ergonomic seats, immersive digital HUDs, and voice-activated controls give the crew a futuristic edge. Every aspect of the interior has been redesigned for maximum efficiency and comfort during extended missions. The inclusion of climate control and shock-absorbing seating also reflects the increasing focus on crew welfare. especially in high-stress combat scenarios, asterisk when it comes to production and deployment. Reports suggest that Russia plans to roll out limited units by the end of 2026. With full-scale adoption expected by 2027, it's already being tested in harsh environments including sub-zero Arctic zones and desert simulations. Early test results are promising, showing increased survivability and superior engagement effectiveness compared to its predecessors and even some NATO counterparts, asterisk in conclusion. Zvezda 131,080 isn't just another tank, it's a technological fortress on tracks. From its powerful hybrid engine and next-gen armor to its AI-driven combat systems and drone integration, this vehicle is built for the battlefield of tomorrow. As warfare evolves, machines like the 131,080 represent a bold new chapter in armored combat, smarter, faster, and deadlier than ever before. Asterisk thanks for tuning in to Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Zvezda 131,080 and want more videos about future military vehicles, combat tech, and next-gen machines, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below about which vehicle you'd like us to cover next. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the future of mobility and defense.